Hello and welcome to the North Star Academy's YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to explain the Indian CMA course. If you're curious about what this certification involves and the opportunities it can unlock for you, you're in the right place. So what exactly is the Indian CMA? The CMA, Cost and Management Accountant certification, is awarded by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, ICAI. This program is designed to provide in-depth knowledge and skills in cost management, financial management, and strategic decision-making. By obtaining your Indian CMA certification, you'll gain the expertise necessary to make informed financial decisions that drive business success. Now, let's discuss why pursuing the Indian CMA certification is a wise choice for your career. First and foremost, the Indian CMA qualification is recognized throughout the country and has immense value in various sectors, including manufacturing, service, and public sector undertakings. Benefits of the Indian CMA certification: strong demand for CMA professionals, comprehensive knowledge of cost and management accounting, opportunities in diverse industries, competitive salary packages. With the Indian CMA designation, you can explore diverse roles in finance and management, making you a highly sought-after candidate in the job market. As a CMA, you can pursue various roles in finance, management, and consultancy, allowing you to tailor your career path to your interests and aspirations. Now let's break down the Indian CMA course structure. The Indian CMA program consists of 3 levels. Foundation level: Introduction to Cost and Management Accounting, Basics of Economics and Business. Intermediate level: Financial Accounting, Cost Accounting, and Management Accounting. Final level: Strategic Financial Management, Advanced Management, Accounting, Ethics, and Governance. Each level is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills necessary for a successful career in cost and management accounting. One crucial aspect of the Indian CMA course is the mandatory practical training, also known as articleship. Candidates are required to complete 3 years of articleship training under a practicing cost accountant or in an approved organization. 3 years of mandatory practical training can begin after passing the CMA intermediate level. Completion is mandatory before qualifying for final certification. You can start your articleship training after completing the intermediate level of the CMA course. However, it's important to complete this training before you qualify for the final certification. While the Indian CMA is a fantastic choice, you can further enhance your qualifications by pursuing additional professional certifications. Here are a few recommended courses to consider alongside your CMA studies. ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants; CA, Chartered Accountant; EA, Enrolled Agent; and CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst. These additional qualifications can significantly enhance your skills and increase your market ability in the finance sectors. If you want to know more about these, watch this video.